Morning, guys. It's early day. Trying to wake up still yet. Got the coffee. Bids on the vehicle. It's reasonably priced and it's a good truck. To get me to Alabama or wherever. Got offered it yesterday. It was like 4,700. No, 4,500. Keeping the 1,000 I have, I just got to come up with $3,500. That way I can drive to Tammy and them. Uh, so anything that came back and said would be greatly appreciated. You know, that way I can get off the streets just that much quicker. Uh, Make sure I have my driver's license and all that before I do leave, but at least I'm set that way. Anyway, I just doing an early morning. Good morning. I was going to try to do it live, and it just Streamlabs ain't really working with, I don't know, the phone or what. But y'all have a great week, and I'll try to post as often as possible. Talk to y'all later. Bye bye.